See how my views I don't. Oh my lord, that's low. There. I'll find a new job. 5 nights at Monty's. I can spend that many nights.
Hey there, welcome to your first day on the job. This is a pre-recorded message that will explain a few things about this job. So let's get into it. The job is simple. All you need to do is watch the cameras, and if anything tries to get you, just close the door by pressing the red button. To open the door, press the green button. Make sure not to have the door closed for too long since you have a limited amount of power. aka battery. I don't know what to call it. You can call it whatever. Is that everything?
Well, your first
every night will be a different location. The first night, which you just started, will take place in forest.
No matter
Also, there are some things that like to loot.
You'll get more shiny rock pebbles.
I'm not really sure what they are, but if you see anything you can look through the window, then quickly hide it in the table. Anyway, good luck.
Wait, who's that? Oh my god. It's the Fnam guy. I see him. Yep. Frederick? Bobby? Oh, that's pretty sound. I like that. Ah! I think I have to hide under the table for that. Right.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot. Please find him before it's too late.
Wait, Frederick? What'd you do? Hey, stop it. Frederick tried to leave me. You know that's not nice, Frederick. Can't be doing that. No, I don't want to start open. Keep that close. So 1 AM. Should have enough battery. Frederick, you have to stay where you are though. You cannot move. Or else, Frederick. Or else. I will Frederick. Right, where's this blue dye at? Viper's times the order service in rot. Viper's times the order service in the forest. We're in forest. Why isn't this closed? Jesus. I see him. He's walking away from stubble. Ah!
Hey there, this is pre-recorded.
I'm gonna hide under here.
Detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot.
I see you.
Please find him before it's too late.
Frederick, how could you try and escape? I've only grabbed you and thrown you back into your spot. Now, if I could, I'd throw you out that window. No, not the window, the door. No, I'll put you in the box and CGI them. Or editing them. Ow. Oh, another oh no. Oh, yeah. I see him. Wait, teleport. He's hatching! He's hatching! He's exploiting! He's exploiting the part. I never got this ever. He's cheating! Yeah. Leave! Alone! Oh, where is it?
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot.
Frederick,
Please
stop!
find him before it's too late.
Stop, Frederick! That's not allowed. You're not allowed to. He's climbing up. Don't forget if that door closed. Actually, yeah, just have his door closed. My power's not doing that fast. Shouldn't be fine. Admin, oh my god, guys, look. Admin. Da! 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 Add some lasers. I'm gonna CGI some lasers in there. Da! Wait, he teleported. He's happening, bro. He's happening. No, yeah, we gotta report him, dude. He's happening. He's teleporting. He's teleporting. Yeah! It's 3 a.m. Oh my god. It's a CGI
Hey there,
Slenderman
this
if
is
I
Spirit Recording
edit it in.
Detected that
I don't edit the
Snowman
laser
is not
right.
in his original spot. Please find it
Taurus.
it's too late.
What is up? I don't have it on video, but I did complete night 1. And I have night 2 now. But I actually haven't done this. I haven't seen all the new Valentine stuff. The only thing I have is this bat that I found.
Hey, good night. Congrats.
Wait, what's that?
This night will be a little
Who
different. You'll still have to watch the cameras, but there's no doors. So check the cameras for anything.
Oh, there's
If
2
one of those
people.
creatures are like really
I thought there was 3 people,
close
including Frederick.
to the camera,
Who's
press
this?
that emergency reset button, or else you won't make it out alive. Also, if you notice one of the creatures on cam 3
so I did a
pull
pull
over, that will
that.
shock it
I'm
and
gonna shock
prevent it
these
from
people.
getting
I'm gonna abuse them.
in. Is
Shot
there
puller.
anything else?
What do you do?
Pull up.
What's that?
Who up?
Wait, what? Well, I just heard that guy die. I need to do an emergency reset, he said. Wait. No, wait. No. Frederick, why did you betray me? You can see those little pixelated Frederick. Duh. Stop jump scaring the camera. Frederick, I am gonna get you back one day. Wait, I heard. I see you. I see him, dude. But he teleported, but he's chasing. You know. Report. I'm editing one of those fake ban hammers. Duh. If I don't, just know, blazer. These guys up here. Go away. Go away. Go away. They wouldn't go away. Such a ball. But seriously, 1 a.m. Like Frederick, I will get you back one day. Yeah, just realised because the tree's close to us, like it's just down there, you can actually see the lighting. Like, see how you come over here and you see the lighting, so you can actually see. Yeah, yeah. I don't even talk, Frederick. How did you betray me like this? Like, Frederick. Yeah, 2 a.m, bro. Where are they both sitting in cactuses? I didn't even see. What even was his name? I keep hating on him. Kendrick, I think. Tell me if I'm wrong. I think he's Kendrick. He didn't matter though. Snowball fight now in mountains. Well, there is no mountains in this game, is there? They need to add mountains and clouds. Like, not clouds, but they need to add mountains. Like, there's lots of stuff they actually had an update, dude. Like, well, I don't really know since I haven't played in like ages. You. Look at that. I love those bushes. It's like it's. I don't did it, bro. I don't know what to do. No, it's definitely damn smooth. Oh my god, everyone look. I'm a moderator and I have the fingerprint. Oh my god, bro. Look at this. I have the mod state, everyone. Look, mod state. Oh yeah. Did he blood finty stuff? Everyone's just sitting there stuff. Stop! Seriously, only 3 a.m. I want to actually sit down. It was pretty chill last night. Stop doing that, bro. It's only 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Oh my god, bro. It's Slenderman. It's 3 a.m. I'm probably gonna edit Slenderman. I keep saying I need to do that. I'm saying that so you guys don't hate on me if I don't add Slenderman. Because it's 3 a.m. It actually has a thumbs up here, that's pretty nice. All you gotta do is just spam the cameras and when you it's like a slideshow. Well, it's low tier edit though, right? My CapCut's so expensive that you don't literally now use this as an edit. That shot! Leave me alone! I know it. And Kendrick the Snowman had to leave me. Only if I had him. What is ambience? Oh, he teleported. What is happening, bro? He teleported. What is all he's trying, bro? Trying to upload. I'm actually sitting in real life. Oh my god, stop it! Snowman dude, what was his name? I'm gonna tell him it's Tinvit Snowman dude. Tinvit the Snowman dude. Actually, I have a question. How is the snowman staying on if this is a literal desert? This is a desert and like the snowman stays alive. My life hurts in real life. Oh my lord. Hurry up! Keep spamming this and Kendrick the Snowman dude, stop jump staring my camera. Oh my, come on, 6 AM, dude. So I can do the third night later. That's if I beat this, of course. Dude, I need it. I absolutely hate you. I absolutely hate you. Kendrick Snowman dude, stupid. Oh yeah, 6 AM. No, I'm not talking about 6 AM. 6 AM. You did it, congrats on beating the night. Head to the lobby behind you. I don't really know what else to say about it aside from congrats. Go to the lobby, slide down here. Wait, what? Why am I yellow? I have track all over me. Put Steam Mask on.